Hey there. Have you ever thought about how to make life after 60 not just comfortable but truly fulfilling? In today's video, we're diving deep into the principles that can help you live your best life in this exciting new chapter. Whether you're approaching this milestone or already navigating it, these insights will guide you toward a future filled with confidence, joy, and meaningful experiences. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's explore how to make the most out of every day. As we step into our later years, many of us find that our capacity for kindness grows even stronger. We've been through a lot, learned a lot, and we want to share our wisdom and support with those around us. But here's something crucial to remember. While kindness is a beautiful gift, it's also important to balance it with caution. Take Jack's story, for instance. Jack was a retired teacher, known and loved for his generosity. He would always go the extra mile to help his friends, neighbors, and even acquaintances. But over time, his open-heartedness became a double-edged sword. People started relying on him more and more, to the point where Jack found himself constantly drained, both emotionally and physically. His desire to help everyone else left him little time to care for his own needs, leading to stress and even burnout. Jack's experience is a powerful reminder that while it's wonderful to help others, it's just as important to set boundaries. Boundaries are not about shutting people out. They're about ensuring that your kindness doesn't come at the expense of your well-being. By protecting your energy, you can continue to give, but in a way that is sustainable and healthy. Here's something to try. The next time someone asks for a favor, take a moment to reflect on your own needs first. It's perfectly okay to say no or to offer help on your own terms. By doing this, you'll be safeguarding your energy and ensuring that your generosity remains a positive force in your life. Now let's shift gears to something that's often on our minds: financial stability. As we get older, the importance of having a solid financial foundation cannot be overstated. Financial security allows you to live your life on your own terms, free from the constant worry of making ends meet. But how do you achieve this, especially if you're starting to think about it later in life? First, let's talk about budgeting. It might sound basic, but creating and sticking to a budget is one of the most powerful tools you have for managing your finances. Start by writing down your monthly income and expenses. Where is your money going each month? Are there areas where you could cut back, even slightly? It's amazing how much small adjustments can add up over time. Next, think about saving. It's never too late to start setting aside money for the future. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, the key is consistency. Over time, these small savings can grow into a significant financial cushion. If you haven't already, consider automating your savings. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. Investing is another critical area. While the world of investing can seem intimidating, especially if it's new to you, there are plenty of low-risk options that can help grow your savings over time. Consider speaking with a financial advisor who can guide you based on your specific situation and goals. Lastly, if you're worried about outliving your savings or facing unexpected expenses, consider looking into insurance products like annuities that can provide a steady income stream in retirement. This week, I encourage you to take an hour to sit down and review your finances. Identify one area where you can cut back or save a bit more, and consider reaching out to a financial advisor if you're unsure where to start. Small steps can make a big difference in achieving the financial peace of mind that lets you enjoy life to the fullest. When it comes to living a fulfilling life, nothing is more important than your health. It's the foundation that supports everything else you want to do. But as we age, maintaining good health requires a bit more attention and effort. The good news is that even small changes can have a big impact. Let's start with physical activity. Staying active is key to keeping your body strong and your mind sharp. But you don't need to run marathons or spend hours in the gym to see benefits. Simple activities like daily walks, gardening, or even gentle yoga can make a huge difference. These activities not only keep your muscles and joints in good shape, but they also boost your mood and energy levels. Next, let's talk about nutrition. Eating well doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods, but it does mean being mindful about what you put into your body. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining your energy and helping your body function at its best. But health isn't just about your body, it's about your mind too. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and it's something we often overlook. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and even simple deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and keep your mind clear and focused. Engaging in social activities, staying connected with loved ones, and pursuing hobbies that bring you joy are all ways to keep your mind healthy and your spirits high. Tomorrow morning, why not start your day with a short walk? Take in the fresh air, move at your own pace, and notice how it makes you feel. Combine this with a healthy breakfast, and you're setting a positive tone for the entire day. One of the greatest joys in life is our relationships. But as we get older, we realize it's not about having a large circle of friends. It's about the quality of those relationships. Genuine, meaningful connections can enrich our lives in ways that nothing else can. As we age, our social circles may naturally shrink, but that doesn't mean our relationships have to lose their depth or importance. In fact, this is the perfect time to focus on strengthening the connections that matter most to us. Reach out to those friends who have always been there, who understand and support you. These are the people who bring joy and comfort, who make life's ups and downs more bearable. But building and maintaining these relationships requires effort. It's about being present, showing up, and really listening when you spend time with someone. It's also about being open to sharing your own experiences, thoughts, and feelings. True friendships are a two-way street, where both people feel valued and understood. Sometimes it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life and forget to nurture these connections. That's why it's so important to make time for the people who matter. Whether it's a weekly phone call, a monthly coffee date, or even just a thoughtful message, these small gestures go a long way in keeping your relationships strong. Why not take a moment this week to reach out to a close friend you haven't seen in a while? Plan a get-together, or simply catch up over the phone. These moments of connection are what truly make life rich and rewarding. Family is often the bedrock of our lives, providing support, love, and a sense of belonging. But family relationships can also be complex, filled with their own set of challenges. As we age, these dynamics can sometimes become more complicated, whether due to changing roles, different life stages, or old wounds that haven't quite healed. Patience and understanding are key to navigating these challenges. It's about taking a step back and considering things from the other person's perspective. Sometimes, a little empathy can go a long way in diffusing tension and fostering a more harmonious relationship. This is especially important in family settings, where emotions can run high and misunderstandings can easily arise. Active listening is one of the most effective ways to show that you care and that you're willing to understand. When a family member is speaking, really focus on what they're saying, without interrupting or planning your response in your head. This kind of attentive listening shows respect and can help resolve conflicts before they escalate. But patience doesn't just apply to others, it applies to yourself too. It's important to recognize that you don't have to fix every problem or have all the answers. Sometimes simply being present, offering a kind word, or lending a listening ear is enough. Next time you find yourself in a disagreement with a family member, try taking a deep breath and listening with an open heart. Approach the conversation with a mindset of understanding, and you'll likely find that conflicts can be resolved more smoothly, leading to stronger, more supportive relationships. One of the most valuable lessons we can pass on to our children and grandchildren is the importance of independence. As parents and grandparents, it's natural to want to protect and guide them, but there comes a point when the best thing we can do is to step back and let them navigate their own paths. Encouraging independence doesn't mean abandoning them. It means trusting them to make their own decisions and supporting them in their journey. This trust helps build their confidence and resilience, equipping them with the tools they need to face life's challenges. It's not always easy to watch from the sidelines, especially when you see them making choices that you might not agree with. But remember, it's through these experiences, both the successes and the failures, that they truly learn and grow. Your role is to be there for them, offering guidance when asked and celebrating their achievements. It's also important to focus on instilling values, rather than simply providing for their material needs. Teaching them the importance of integrity, kindness, and hard work lays a strong foundation for their future. These are the qualities that will guide them through life's ups and downs, far more than any financial support or material goods. Why not give your grandchild the opportunity to plan a family activity this month? Trusting them with this responsibility not only shows that you have confidence in their abilities, but also strengthens your bond and encourages their independence. Finally, let's talk about something that's just for you: personal growth. Who says learning and growing stops at a certain age? In fact, the later years of life are the perfect time to explore new interests, dive into hobbies you've always wanted to try, or even take up something completely new. Personal growth is all about keeping your mind sharp and your spirit lively. It's about challenging yourself, staying curious, and finding joy in the process of learning. Whether it's painting, gardening, writing, or even learning a new language, these activities not only enrich your life, but also keep you mentally and emotionally engaged. The beauty of personal growth in this stage of life is that there's no rush, no pressure to achieve anything specific. You can explore at your own pace, discovering new passions and deepening existing ones. And the benefits go beyond just personal satisfaction. Engaging in these activities can also lead to new social connections and a greater sense of purpose. So, what's something you've always been curious about but never had the time to pursue? Maybe it's time to give it a try. Remember, it's never too late to start something new and exciting. Think about something you've always wanted to try and take the first step today. Sign up for that class, buy that book, or start that project you've been thinking about. Embrace the excitement of exploring something new and enjoy the journey of personal growth. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discovering how to make life after 60 truly fulfilling. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes that bring joy and meaning to your everyday life. Which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who could use a little inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights and tips on living your best life at any age. Together, let's embrace the future with confidence, joy, and endless possibilities. I'll see you in the next video.